Knockoff designer purses lead the way, flooding U.S. shipping ports along with fancy fake watches, footwear, and bogus electronics. All of it at the expense of legitimate manufacturers. Organized crime groups are the beneficiary of a surging counterfeit goods marketplace.
Imagine a world where assets are tracked from their origin all the way through a supply chain, certifying provenance in irrefutable ways. So a manufacturer can demonstrate that the minerals comprising the panels it fits to a commercial airliner were certified as high grade, and that they were procured from a supplier with an impeccable safety record that also respects human rights.
For the problem that Origyn is tackling, there is a $2 trillion counterfeit problem with the global economy, and it's a difficult thing to solve when you look at the nature of the problem. The goal is to tie physical assets in the physical world to verifiable digital certificates in the digital world. The issue here is that you can still create counterfeit products today, and it's happening at scale all over the world, counterfeit watches, counterfeit luxury goods. But in the digital world, there's no way to protect or validate data. So as long as this is the situation, this is going to be a very hard problem to solve. That's where Origyn and ICP come in. Again, the goal, tie physical assets to digital certificates that can be owned by the user. These digital certificates cannot be tampered with, duplicated, or stolen. So you're ensuring a verifiable chain of custody from the merchant to the owner. Physical assets can still be counterfeited, but tamper-proof digital certificates running on-chain cannot. And this is not possible on Web 2 because you cannot protect or validate data on Web 2. There's no underlying truth layer on Web 2. Now, somebody might say, what about these other RWA protocols that are out there? They're going to have the same problems of Web 2 because a lot of those systems are running on Web 2. As long as you're running on infrastructure where there's no built-in verifiability, there's no built-in truth layer, and there's no real security, you're going to have these same problems. You need everything on chain. You need a solution like Origyn.